This tutorial explains supplier and purchase orders related functionality present in Instant Inventory app. App allows you to manage your suppliers and also the purchase orders which will affect the inventory positions of your organization. It also provides you extensive reporting on this functionality. Using menu also, you can access supplier and purchase order related functionality. Before that, let's understand purchase order prefix and purchase order series. You can go to the settings and manage your purchase order prefix and your purchase order series. Purchase order prefix is something that doesn't change when you add a new purchase order. For example, for your organization, you may use PUR as a purchase order prefix. Series gives you a running number that will be auto incremented. For example, 001 is something that you can use as a series. So whenever you add a next purchase order, your next number will be PUR002. Instead of that, if you want to use your organization's prefix, you can very well use it. For example, if your organization name is ABC Limited and you want to use ABC as a prefix, you can very well change it and use ABC as your purchase order prefix. Also, your order series may contain something like a year. So you want to have 2015 as purchase order series can be used from any number. So you want to start your purchase order from 1001, you can always start with 1001 and then next numbers can be 1002, 1003 and so on. From your home menu, when you click on plus sign at the top, you can come to a purchase order. You can add a purchase order. The order number gets auto-generated using the prefix and the series. Every purchase order has a header and detail lines. Header information remains same for all the order line items. You can add a supplier, you can provide a purchase order date and applicable tax. When you want to add a supplier, you can select from your existing suppliers, or if it is a new supplier, you can type name here directly and it gets automatically added to your supplier master. Same thing is applicable with the tax. In tax, you can add a new tax, or you can select a tax from the existing tax rates. Once you have done that, then you can add different items in your purchase order. It applies the tax rate and it gives you the total value. You can always add certain notes for your purchase order. Once you have done that, you can always go and save your purchase order. When you're adding items in purchase order, you can do that using the item name, item number, or you can also use a barcode. Purchase order allows you to add items using the barcode scanning. For every purchase order, there is a supplier, and suppliers can be managed from a menu screen where you have a supplier item, a supplier icon, or from the menu list where you have a supplier text. One important factor to remember is you can add supplier from your contact list of phone numbers. That way, everybody who is present in your contact list doesn't have to be explicitly added with all data entry to be repeated. It can be just added from your contact list by clicking on this plus sign. For every supplier, you can record his mobile phone number, his alternate phone number, fax, email, his billing address. If you are entering his mobile number and the email address, then it allows you to directly email from the app or message from the app any purchase order. So you will be in touch with supplier moment you create a purchase order. You don't have to go out, open your email application and email from there, but within the application you can simply email or message. As you can see, this is the list of purchase orders and there is a facility for you to email or SMS the purchase order to a supplier. You can also print your purchase order from this screen. There is a way you can see the status of your purchase orders. It can be open or it can be delivered. You can also record your delivery of your items using this application. If you click your open purchase order and if you go on your menu button, then from there you will be able to record the delivery of the purchase order. If at all you want to delete the purchase order, there is option to delete purchase order from the same menu button. While you are adding your purchase order, if you want to edit items, then you have to long press the item. It will allow you to edit the item. Here is the way you can see your purchase order report. You can either select a particular supplier or you can select all suppliers. You can select the date range and you have a facility to get purchase orders delivered or open or both. On clicking on the purchase order, you will receive all the details of that purchase order. There is a line chart available for last 30-day purchase and sales. Also remember, we have a sales and customer module that will allow you to maintain sales orders and customers just the way you can manage purchase orders and suppliers. As you can see, the purchases that you have done using purchase orders are part of the profit and loss report. The other sales, income and expense are coming from different modules of the inventory app. This is the detailed profit and loss in which the purchase orders are also displayed along with all the details. Many help videos are available from the Instant Inventory home screen. Clicking on help videos will take you to all those videos which will help you to use this Instant Inventory app in a better way. You can also contact us at instant.inventory@billionhands.in or you can visit our website www.billionhands.in. Any feature request can be made by directly emailing us at this email address or you can use feature request icon on the home screen. When you use our app, don't forget to rate us using Rate a Screen on the home page. Also, you can share the app with your friends using the share icon. In case you face difficulty, we would encourage you to contact us using feature request or our email address before rating us. For those who are interested to use multi-user and multi-platform inventory application, we have another app that you can use. It's called Inventory Pro. It is the enterprise version of the Instant Inventory app. For more details, you can contact us on inventory.pro@billionhands.in. This app is available on Play Store and also from our website. Thank you for your time.